As I've already said, I'm with BCCI on this matter, and they are the best judge of the thing, and they're very much in touch with the center. I think we all need to be with BCCI on this matter. So whatever decision they take, we got to support them. As far as I'm concerned, Jasprit Bumrah is an outstanding bowler. I think he needs to take a call in terms of whether he would like to play more of a longer format, the Test match, or the shorter format. I would personally feel that he is incredible in all the formats, and his bowling remains the same, be it a T20 or a one day. It's just like a Test match bowling, right? So I feel that he needs to be playing more Test matches than other formats. Yeah, I'm not touching on IPL though. Okay, let me be very sure here. So even if he sacrifices on one-day internationals and T20 Is, okay, he should be playing Test matches and probably the IPL if he's fit enough. Yeah, but you cannot take a break from Test match. Sir, firstly, my deepest sympathies and condolences for the people who lost their lives, and to the families and the members of their family and friends. That shouldn't have happened. It was just unfortunate. As I said earlier, I don't want to go too deep into it. Who's at fault? I don't want to touch on that. And the whole situation is under investigation. So let's leave it at that, please. Secondly, yes, this group would like to make a lot of changes, as I said, and cricket is being is at the center of it. So changes or improvements, you can call it. We generally don't use changes in coaching. So we would like to use improvements. So definitely cricket needs a lot of improvement. That's where we are focusing, not just in Bangalore, in other centers as well, in other zonal centers. As I mentioned a few names like Shimoga, Hubli, Dharwad, Tumkur, Belgaum, Mysore, and so on and so forth. So, and we need to have academies in each of these places, dedicated coaches, coaching the talented ones up to under 19. So I think this is what and have grounds, form grounds. So the infrastructure, better stadiums, better facilities for the players, whether it's be it ground or dressing room and so on. I mean, these are all the things that we are looking at. So mainly it's cricket centric, but of course you got to look at other aspects as well. Like